Racist markets. Racist markets. These markets are racist. These markets are, I want to repeat it as loud as possible. These markets are racist. They are racist markets.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Swahili the G, the trader, ladies and gentlemen. We're out here again.
Yeah, boy.
I'm in a trade. The intro just started and I'm already in a trade, guys. I am super scared because this is the first trade of the video, of the channel as well, of everything. And I'm risking $10. We're not going to go for any kind of risk to reward. We're just going with market structure. Whatever the market is giving us today is what we're taking, guys.
He's a pussy.
Remember, this is real money, bro. And I don't want to lose a trade and then start editing the video. So trust me when I say, I really hope this goes according to plan, bro. This is real amount, guys. This is real money. We're not playing around out here. We're playing with the real accounts, guys. Oh my god, this is very scary. I'm not gonna lie to you. The spreads I'm getting, by the way, they are very decent. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's like 2 or 3, maybe 4, depends on the situation. But I'm paying commission, obviously, guys. I'm paying commission, so let's see how this goes, bro. The thing with backtesting is, in a situation like this, you just press all the candles appear, there's no emotion, there's nothing. So whenever you're backtesting, it's very easy, you know, to be profitable. But the problem is during these live markets, bro, there's something, I don't know what happens to me, but something just changes out of the blue. Ah, bro, I don't like the candle we are getting. That is a very strong bullish candle. Oh my god, I'm about to get stopped out. I'm about to get stopped out instantly, guys. Instant stop out. This is gonna be a very short video. If this is how we're closing that candle, and I'm risking quite a big portion of the account, because $10 in a $50 account, bro, I only have like what, 4 trades left if I lose this one. So let's just pray to God, guys. Let's just pray. Oh my god, it's a green candle. It's a pretty strong green candle. I can take 2 trades a day, so there's that advantage, but oh my god, I'm getting stopped out. I can feel this. I can feel it. Oh, I can feel this. Oh, I don't like the way the stop loss is very close to this candle, but then again, this is exactly $10. If I move this above, now I'm losing more than 10, and that is not what we want. Oh my god, please, man, come on, don't do this to. Oh, it's a done deal. It's done. Yeah, it's done. This is a wrap. There's another trade setting up, but I feel like taking 2 losses for the first video. It's not how we want to start this series. It's just not how we want to start this. The spreads are quite decent, but they are not helping at the moment. They are just not helping. Ah, yeah, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we lost. That is the first trade, and the first trade is a loss.
This is f***ing bullshit.
I don't understand how these markets work. If it was backtesting, that would have been a win. Anyway, I'll see you guys if I find another trade, bro.
2 very boring minutes later.
Hi again. It's me.
What is that? Ladies and gentlemen, what is that? What is that, guys? This is the trade we were just in. What is this? You can even see the wick. I was wicked out of this trade, and it went for a 1 to 4. Exactly to my take profit. This was my take profit right here, ladies and gentlemen. I was wicked out, and you cannot even see the wick. You can't even see it, bro. Even if you were to zoom this video, you cannot see that wick. This is my trading journey in a nutshell. This right here is my whole journey, guys, in a nutshell. I don't understand why I'm not profitable. Whoever I made angry, I am sorry. Please, whoever of you guys that I made angry, I apologize. I am sorry. Forgive me. Please forgive me, bro. This isn't fair. What is that, guys? Honestly speaking to God, honestly speaking, what is that? Whenever you're risking $10 in these accounts, you're not actually risking $10. There's $10 plus commission. So I ended up losing $13 or something. I think 12 point something dollars. That was the loss that I took. It was supposed to be a $50 win. I would have made 100% of the account from this one trade.
I can't f***ing compare!
Anyway, I'm on another trade. As you can see, this is the second trade. This is my entry, this red line, and I'm still not in the trade. Because of spread, I am not in this trade, guys. Look at this. That right there is the entry. I am not in the trade, guys. I keep on... oh my God.
What a f***ing nigger.
I feel like now you guys understand why I'm not profitable. It is things like this. I don't know what this... I don't even know what to call this. How... I want you to imagine, if I won that one trade, it would have been enough for the whole week. Even if I was going to lose 5 times in a row, I would have been profitable. I would have been break even. But I gotta deal with this. If this, I'm not gonna move my entry or anything. If it doesn't tap me in, it's fine. We're gonna close today with a loser, which is fine, I guess. But then again, guys, is it really fair? Let's just be honest. Is this really fair? I should be in Dubai, bro. That's all I'm saying. I should be in Dubai with other traders, bro. I should be with the Arimi right now, Warak, all those niggas. I should be chilling with them in Dubai right now. Relaxed, guys. Speaking about investments and other things. But for some reason, these markets don't want me to move out. They don't just...
Oh, shut up, nigga.
You know what is painful? Is I'm taking 2 different losses. I've taken the first loss on the trade, which is completely unfair and racist of the markets. And then I have to take another loss, which is editing this loss. Editing. I want you to sitting there and editing, guys, the whole video. Guys, I'm not getting tapped in. Look at this, bro. This is another loss. This is another loss, bro. I promise you, this is another loss. I'm not getting tapped in. This is another trade that I'm getting tired of this. I can't believe I just started this YouTube channel and can you guys see the entry? It doesn't want to zoom in because oh my god, this phone is just... Do you see that? But I'm not in the trade. I'm not tapped in. The struggles that I got, bro. Bro, I don't want to watch this. I'm just gonna be honest. I don't want to watch this. I'm done with this market. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just done. I don't even want to know how the trade plays out, to be honest. At this point, everybody knows it's gonna hit TP. Everyone knows that. But for those who don't know, I think I'll throw a picture on the screen for you guys to see that it will hit TP. I'm pretty sure. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. I don't want to sit here for the next freaking 5 hours trying to see what's going to happen. There's no point. I don't want to enter if it. I don't even want to enter anymore. I don't want to enter the trade. I don't want it anymore. I don't want the trade. I don't want it anymore, bro. What is the point? Look at this. I don't want this trade anymore. There's no point. Even if I get tapped in, let's think about this for a second. I don't want it. I don't want this trade. Racist markets. Racist markets. These markets are racist. These markets are, I want to repeat it as loud as possible. These markets are racist. They are racist. Racist markets. Get me out. Get me out. Close everything. Close this thing. Get me out of this position. I don't want to be. Get me out. What the delete this. I don't want it anymore. Just delete everything. I don't want this trade anymore. I'm sorry. Get me out. Close everything. Shut this computer off. I don't even want this computer. Shut it off. Shut it off. What?